Welcome back everyone to another Airsoft video. Today we'll be using an aim assist and also collecting a bounty of $500 for each player kill. Quick kill on Viper.
Nice.
Now it's time to throw a 40mm grenade at the problem at the end of the hall. Temporarily I'm confused why the ref is talking about blind fire, then I realized that the kid had stuck his barrel around the end of the wall, but he never actually pulled the trigger, so it doesn't technically count as blind fire.
You probably saw my BBs coming back from that nation.
Covering this angle, the first thing I see to shoot at is this kid's glove, so I have to shoot him in the finger. I felt pretty bad about it though. Turning the corner quickly, time to wipe out Viper again. Unfortunately, I do die to him as well.
You got me too. Yep.
And here I go, raising yet another flag. In all fairness, if I was to add up the number of flags that I end up having to pull, it would be a large number. I'm pretty surprised I made this shot because I had to shoot through this little crack here. After grabbing this flag, I decide to push past the door up to the corner of the building, looking back towards their spawn.
Oh, you're good.
My teammate has pushed up with me, so he gives me covering fire while I run to the log ahead of me. From there, I run up to the building closest to the enemy spawn, where I take them completely by surprise. I'm literally only like 25 or 30 feet from their spawn point at this place. Time to kill Viper for the third time.
It's like if I'm gonna run into your spawn, I know I'm gonna die. Bye-bye.
Momentarily chatting with Viper. These couple of kills speak for themselves.
You guys got 2 minutes remaining.
At this point in time, the ref didn't realize I just pulled the flag behind him to red, and I currently am grabbing the next one.
Yep.
Blue team just lost all the flags.
Thus begins the nighttime footage. Another grenade. Realizing at this point that I need to buy a longer distance IR illuminator so that my camera can record more than 12 feet ahead of me. I finally managed to shoot the guy off this corner, but his buddy is still there. That great moment in Airsoft when somebody wants to look at your camera, so they stick their face in front of your barrel.
Yep! Good morning!
First, a kill at the back of the prison.
How's it going?
I kept being pinned by this guy. It did not take long before my teammates wiped him out, however. That wraps up that game. In this game, we get into the craziest situation of the night.
Ah! Nice job. Dead!
After clearing the guy at the end of the hallway, I push into this room, where I stay for the remainder of the game.
You guys got 5 minutes remaining in this half. 5 minutes.
You're good. It happens. I was like, that was a bit of a delayed response. Are you good? Nope.
Me realizing that that's my teammate shooting at me.
Are you green? Yeah. Yeah, I'm green too.
Unfortunately for him, while he was talking to me, he got shot by an enemy.
You guys got 3 minutes remaining. 3 minutes.
The ref begins trying to help out the enemy team by giving them a few suggestions.
You guys got 1 minute. 1 minute remaining.
At this point, neither the ref or I can believe I'm still alive.
Oh my god.
How long? That's what I'm wondering. Oh my gosh.
There was 4 of them, and they sent 1 by 1 out.
Oh my gosh.
This game ends in 5, 4, 3,
Using our fun little kill counter, I got 20 kills in that evening and made 10,000 in-game dollars. Subscribe to check out some of these clips in the next video.
Where's the count?
I blew it. I shot him.
Can you reload?
Not on the field.
Oh.
I have to go put green gas in and shit. If I had more grenades, I could, but I don't.
There's Buckley.
Haven't gone yet. I love looking down the barrel. That got a little dark. I'm sorry.